How do we increase access in this industry to populations in diversity, equity, inclusion that we need to? We need a more diverse industry to have a better industry. We need programs to help get us there, and this is one of those key programs that can do that.
And we're in a position to do something, right? And so why not now?
The Rising Stars program works to support MBE and MWBE businesses. Not only are we trying to create workforce development through the youth program, but we're also trying to create almost a closed circle where those companies can grow and then maybe hire on some of the youth from the program. What we're finding is there's a lot of talent out there, but there are some gaps. So we're going to be bringing in some companies to do some very intense, it's actually a 7-week training course, creating partnerships, opportunities for procurement, capacity building. So not only are they learning more about the actual trade, but it's going to be estimating, it's going to be safety, and then really focusing on innovation and what we're doing at Tremco to become more sustainable.
To both educate them on how to use these technologies, but maybe also get them to think differently about how they're growing their business in the communities where they operate.
The manpower situation across all of construction is very, very taxed. And if we're able to get to young individuals early on and show them what the opportunity is for them to create not just a job, but a career in the construction world.
If you are a minority or woman laborer or prospective laborer in the construction industry, and there is this vast pool of MWBEs that you could potentially work for one day, I think that is a phenomenal scenario where you can then identify and see yourself in these companies. And so they end up becoming the entrepreneurs of tomorrow.
So it's really something that not only Tremco is involved in, but it's an industry program designed to create opportunity in a market that's really underserved, whether it's urban eco spaces or a Riseboro or a NAMAC. The list could go on, that all are contributing a portion of this. That's kind of how fun it is, that if we can create something that works in New York and it's replicable in other cities, then that is like the best thing we could possibly hope for the program.